Welcome back, viewers. I'm Devseerat Kaur and you're watching The Savera. Now, we sure give you news updates all the time, but today, while we do that, let's take a moment of spiritual significance here, shall we? Kashmir is set to host the sacred Ram Katha after a gap of 35 long years. Renowned Hindu spiritual leader named Pujya Murari Bapu will be narrating the divine epic in the picturesque Chashme-Shahi area of Srinagar. This upcoming event has sparked a wave of anticipation among devotees across the country. Srinagar is preparing to witness a historic spiritual gathering as the Ramkatha returns to the valley after 35 long years. Leading this narration is none other than Pujya Murari, a name revered globally for spreading the message of Ramcharitramanas with devotion and simplicity. The event will begin with the Mangalacharyan, the inaugural prayers at 4 p.m. on April 19th at the Sher-e-Kashmir International Convention Center. With the backdrop of the majestic Chashme-Shahi, the setting promises to be as divine as the message being delivered. This marks Murariji's third Ram Katha in Jammu and Kashmir. His earlier events included the 666th Katha titled Manas Amarnath, held on June 23, 2007, and the 801st Katha Manas Matru Devo Bhava, held at Katra on October 1, 2016, in reverence to Mata Vaishno Devi. The event is being organized under the stewardship of Arun G. Shroff of Kolkata, a dedicated devotee of Murari Bapu's Vyaspeeth and a key force behind 7 such kathas, including this one. Speaking humbly, Arunji has said that he considers himself merely an instrument in a divine mission. Preparations for the event have been underway for the past 2 months in Srinagar. The atmosphere is charged with spiritual excitement and thousands of devotees from across the nation are expected to arrive and be part of this rare occasion. Pujya Murari, born in Gujarat, is a globally respected spiritual orator known for his interpretation of Ramcharitramanas with over 900 kathas conducted across the world. His discourse weaves together stories, philosophy, and values advocating truth or satya, love or prem, and compassion or karuna. His spiritual gatherings cut across regions and geographic boundaries, a spiritual homecoming in the heart of Kashmir. This Ram Katha not only marks a return after decades but also reaffirms the valley's timeless connection with peace and devotion. With its divine message set against the stunning backdrop of Srinagar, this event promises to be both historic and deeply spiritual. So stay with us as we keep bringing you more updates on this event and other updates only at The Savera. Like, share and subscribe us through your social media handles and download the Savera app for real-time news.